You've probably seen this ad. Jillian Michaels revealing a secret gelatin trick that melts fat fast. Sounds simple, right? Well, I clicked through the entire thing, and what I found is not what they promise. The ad claims there's a hidden weight loss recipe with a powerful ingredient. But here's the catch. They never actually show it. Instead, you get pulled into a long funnel designed to keep you watching and eventually buying. First, you land on what looks like a blog article.
Noticed a huge wave of comments about this so-called gelatin trick. Women saying they tried it, watched long videos, followed the steps, and nothing happened. A lot of frustration, a lot of skepticism. What's really going on here?
Honestly, Hoda, I completely understand them because over the past few weeks, hundreds of women have been sending me messages with that exact same frustration. They're trying gelatin recipes they saw on Facebook and TikTok. They sit through long videos, follow what
It feels legit before and after photos, dramatic headlines, emotional storytelling. But look closer. No real sources, no verifiable proof. Then you hit play on a video. It's long, slow, and filled with repeated promises. There's even a progress bar, not to help you, but to keep you watching longer. And still, no recipe. As you keep going, something strange happens. The story starts changing. At first, it's about weight loss. Then suddenly, it claims to fix metabolism. Then hormones. Then overall health. That's a massive red flag. Real solutions don't keep changing their claims mid-presentation. Eventually, you reach the final page. And this is where everything becomes clear. There is no gelatin recipe. Instead, you're pushed to buy a supplement, usually something like JellyLean. So the secret trick? It doesn't exist. It's just a setup for a product pitch. Let's break down the biggest warning signs. Number 1. The secret ingredient is never shown. Number 2. The content is stretched out to keep you engaged, not informed. Number 3. Fake-looking trust badges and massive review numbers with zero proof. Number 4. The videos are often edited versions of real clips, with replaced audio and rewritten scripts. And here's something important. Jillian Michaels herself has warned that scammers are using.
people started seeing results, scammers copied it, altered it, and stripped out what actually made it work. That's why I'm now taking legal action against several groups who deliberately distorted the method and profited from misleading people.
AI, voice cloning, and manipulated footage to promote fake products. So if you see her in these ads, that does not mean she's actually endorsing them. So here's the truth. There is no gelatin trick recipe waiting at the end. No secret ingredient. No magic shortcut. Just a well-designed funnel trying to sell you something. If you've seen this ad, tell me where it showed up. Facebook? YouTube? Somewhere else. And if you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe because these scams are getting smarter every day.